Today we are going to make the famous Soursop ice cream. This is my take on it. We are going to improvise today and make it keto friendly. Let's go. And if you've seen me in my YouTube videos cooking with this before, this is called monk fruit and erythritol. It is very good for keto diets and low calorie diets as well. It satiates the sweet cravings that you will have, does not spike your insulin like sugar would do, and does not have the negative side effects that sugar gives you. But remember now, everything in moderation. This is what the actual monk fruit looks like. It's a native to Asia. Moving on now, this fruit is called a Soursop and it is native to the Caribbean. This is what we are making our ice cream with. Alright, let's see here the ingredients. I'm seeing 0 sugar, I'm seeing some calories, I'm seeing some carbohydrate. But what I am going to do is, I'm definitely not going to use all of this when I'm making my ice cream. So I'm going to make it in a way where it is going to be keto friendly. I am going to put high fat cream and butter into it, and for sure you heard me say everything in moderation. And overall, when I did my research, when this fruit is paired with an active lifestyle and a healthy diet, it becomes pretty good for diabetic people and stuff. We want to eat like a diabetic person. We want high fat stuff. We want healthy diet, keto in particular. Let's go. And I am going to put in 2 tablespoons of our butter in our boiling water. I'm also going to put enough custard that will make my water thick. But in order to do this, I need to make a little paste with it. So custard and water, a little bit of our cream into a little flowy liquid that we're going to pour into our boiling water. I don't readily get fresh Soursop fruit over here, so I bought it frozen in the jar in the Asian supermarket and just pureed it. Keeping with the keto trend, I added egg yolks and heavy cream. I will put the full recipe in my description. Stay with me now, we are nearly done. We are tempering our egg solution, putting it in the freezer for half an hour. Then we're going to put our ice cream pail to churn. Approximately half an hour after churning, you will hear the motor getting slower. This is when you can open it, and there you are, ready to eat. Sorry folks, we couldn't wait to dive in, so I did not capture any video clips of us eating it. However, delish!